Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm doing an unboxing and detailed shots of the Godox tube lights TL30. Let's dive in. The Godox TL30-K4 light kit offers photographers and videographers a comprehensive, portable lighting solution. Inside the box, you'll find 4 TL30 RGB tube lights, each providing vibrant colors and adjustable color temperature. The kit includes a durable carrying case for easy transportation and essential accessories like magnetic mounting plates, grid panels, waterproof bags, and joint connections for flexible setups. 4 USB-A to USB-C cables are provided for charging the lights, though a charging is not included. Additionally, the Godox app allows you to conveniently change settings remotely, giving you complete control over your lighting setup. Whether you're in a studio or on location, this kit ensures you're ready to bring your creative vision to life. I'll be recording a couple of videos with the car soon, and I'll make sure to use those lights so you'll be able to see how they perform on a location. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber yet. If you have any questions about these lights, drop them in the comment section down below. I'll be doing a live field test of them shortly. I will show you how I use them in my day-to-day work. So remember, subscribe. In today's episode, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!